Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable daily time limit on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Instagram, like many other social media platforms, can be highly addictive. Users can easily lose track of time scrolling through their feeds, which can negatively impact productivity and time management. You can setting the time limits helps you allocate your time more efficiently on your Instagram. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to tap on our Instagram. You can tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can go to time management. You can see there is an option manage your time. You can choose on daily limit. Here you can choose the time frame that you want to choose to remind you. Maybe for the example, I will choose 30 minutes. So Instagram will remind you like this if you've reached your daily limit on Instagram. So you have to close your Instagram. You can also choose, but if you don't want to close your Instagram, you still can choose. Maybe you want to remind at 5 minutes again, or 50 minutes, or you can ignore limit for today. Or you can choose 2 hours. So after 2 hours, Instagram will remind you to close Instagram when you spend this amount of time in a day. So you can choose one of the time range on this. It's so simple, right? So that is how to enable daily limit on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.